One-to-one technology initiatives are changing the way we educate today's students. But budgeting funds to maintain and repair devices can often be a guessing game. We all know accidents happen, and there are many device protection plans available. But most of them limit the number of repairs, charge service fees and deductibles, have an in-depth approval process, replace broken devices versus repairing, and are much more expensive. AGiProtect, powered by AGiRepair, is different, and it's helping thousands of schools streamline and simplify their one-to-one initiatives. It's an all-in-one solution providing your devices with durable and functional cases, combined with unlimited accidental damage repairs, including no service fees or deductibles. All repairs are performed in our state-of-the-art AGiRepair facilities by our team of experienced technicians. Repairs can be submitted and tracked easily through our online work order system, which provides instant claim approval and generates shipping labels to send your devices in free of charge. We'll ensure your students' devices are repaired to the highest quality and back into your students' hands in no time. Best of all, AGiProtect eliminates the uncertainty and unpredictable repair costs associated with one-to-one initiatives. The program allows your tech team to focus on more important projects other than repairs, payments, and logistics. Additionally, it brings peace of mind to parents and your technology budget, knowing that all accidental damage repairs are covered during the planned term. Quite simply, AGiProtect covers more, costs less, and eliminates all of the pain points of managing one-to-one device repairs. In addition to AGiProtect, AGiRepair also offers many other valuable solutions that support K-12 mobile devices, such as Apple and Chromebook repairs, device buyback, provisioning and deployment services, and replacement parts and accessories. Visit AGiRepair.com/AGiProtect to download the AGiProtect Solutions Guide or to request a quote for your fleet of devices.